How to fix camera not working on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll be walking you through on how you can fix if your camera is not working on Windows. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you are going to have to go ahead and open up your device manager and check for your camera's drivers. For that, right click on the start menu and then find device manager. Click on it. Once you open up your device manager, you need to find your camera section here. If you don't see the camera option right below Bluetooth, you want to go to the View tab up here, and then from here click on Show Hidden Devices, and it should be visible right over here, along with your imaging device as well. So what I can do here now is go over to the camera, expand this. I'll find my VGA webcam. It's the only camera I have on my laptop. If you have plugged in external camera, it should be visible here as well. Now just go ahead and right click on it and then update the driver. Click on search automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, then you're good to go. Now if you don't have any hardware or drivers seen over here, you need to add it manually. What you can do is first go to Action. Click on Scan for hardware changes. Now it will complete a quick scan and show you if there are any changes on your drivers. If not, go to Action again and then click on Add Legacy Hardware. Then this wizard will pop up. Now tap on Next. First thing you can do is try to search and install hardware automatically. Tap on Next again. And if you have a specific hardware, you can just tap on Next and select cameras. And just tap on Next again, and you can find your model over here. Next again. And once you select your model, you'll be good to go. Now, after that, you can just scroll down a bit and find your imaging device. Tap on Next. Now you'll see a list of manufacturer device. You can just do a quick Google search to find which model is the one for your device. Just enter your laptop's name and then add your imaging device hardware afterward, and it will show you which one is the correct model. Now select that model and then tap on Next, and you could easily add this. Now after doing so, just give your PC a quick restart and your camera should start working normally again. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.